Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, let's we do our revision work here. So now today our 13 questions, and that is pick out adjective and state their degrees here. We can say that adjective always comes before noun and pronoun. And by seeing the adjective, we can say that we have three kinds of degree, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. If we want to compare here, if we want to compare, so on that times we have to use degree here. If there is no comparison, there is no comparison on that time, that is positive degree. When we want to compare two noun, on that time, that is comparative degree. And when we want to show one noun, or one noun we want to compare with the many noun, on that time, that is superlative degree here. We see here the first example, that is Jia is a clever girl here. So girl is a noun, and before noun, that is clever is given, so clever become adjective here. So clever, we do not compare here Jia with other girl, so that is positive degree here. We do not compare Jia with other girls, so that is clever. The positive forms of clever is given here, so our answer is that clever, and that is positive degree here. Then Africa is hotter than India here. So we can say that now we want to compare Africa with India, and when then is given in the sentence, on the times we understand that is a comparative degree here. But the positive form hot change into hotter, that is comparative form here. By seeing the hotter, we can say that it is comparative degree here. Then the third example, that is Birbal was the wisest courtier here. So we want to compare here Birbal with many courtier here, and also the superlative forms of wise, that is wisest is given here. And by seeing the before adjective, that is the is there, so that is superlative degree here. So wisest, that is superlative degree here. So the and wisest, the superlative forms of adjective, we can say that is superlative degree here. The rose is a beautiful flower. Here we do not compare rose with other flower, because rose is rose here. So beautiful, that is that is positive forms of the adjective. So our answer is positive degree here. Then Chitta runs faster than horse here. So Chitta, we want to compare Chitta with horse here, as well as then is come here, that is fixed, that is comparative degree, and the comparative forms of fast, that is faster is given here. So by seeing the faster and by seeing then, we can say that it is comparative degree here. Then sixth example given here, iron is the cheapest metal here. So we want to compare iron with many metal here. And here seeing the superlative forms of adjective, cheap change into cheapest, as well as the is given here. So by seeing the and the superlative forms of cheap adjective, that is superlative degree here. So remember one thing, the is there, then must be superlative degree here. Then join the sentences by using conjunction here. So we see the first given here, by seeing and, we have to joining this sentence with and here. So we see the example, we went to the market, we went to the hotel here. So we have to remove the similar word here. So our answer is we went to the remain the same here. So we have to write the one times here, because this we went to the repeated here. So we went to the market, then after we have to write the and then the hotels here. When we want to show choice is there on the time, or is there, so follow traffic rules, pay the fine. So you have to ready, either you have to follow the traffic rules, or you have to ready to pay the fine here. So when it is choice is there on the times, you have to use or. Then but but show the opposite position here, opposite. Like herbs are weak, the trees are strong here. So herbs are weak and another trees are strong here. So to joining this opposite view, we have to use but. So herbs are weak but trees are strong here. Then fourth example, that is she was absent and she was ill. So where we have to give reason, when we have to show the reason, on that times we can use here because. Like she was absent, then the reason, then she was ill. That is because we use first, that is she was absent, then because, then after we have to show the reason here. So she was ill here. So before reason we have to write because. Then after fifth example given here, he is weak, he work hard. So although, that is, so the difference here, like although he is weak, he work hard, he is not fine, although he is doing the work here. So although we have to write in initial in a sentence, that first sentence over, then we have to put the comma here. So although he is weak, then comma, then second sentence we have to join, he work hard. As well as if, so the condition here, if also we have to write in initial, like you work hard, you will get success here. So that is, so the condition here, if you work hard, first sentence over, then to join the second sentence we have to put here the comma. If you work hard, you will get success. So initially we have to put if here. Then seventh example, that is complete your work, I will not let you. So otherwise, that is, so the condition here, complete your work the first, I will not let you go. If you don't complete your work, it means complete your work, otherwise I will not let you go here. So first you complete your work, then after I will let you to go here. So that is also, so the condition here. Then 15 question, that is pick out adverb and state their kind here. Adverb added something in a meaning of a verb here. Verbs are action word. We, whatever we are doing, that is verb. But here, when, how you do the work, that is, so the adverb of manner. Where you have do the work, that is adverb of place. When, that is, so the time, when you have do the work, that is, so the adverb of time. And for asking the question, we can say that is interrogative adverb here. So the sun shine brightly here. We can say that how the sun shine brightly. If we ask the question with how, so that is adverb of manner here. As well as most probably adverb of manner, we find ly in an adjective. If we added ly in adjective, so it became an adverb here. So brightly become adverb of manner here. Chris stood outside of the class here. One thing occurred. Stood here is a verb, but where does Chris stood here? Outside. So outside, so the place here. So outside become adverb of place here. Then it may rain today. It may rain today here. So today, that is, so the time here. Today, yesterday, soon. So that is adverb of time here. By seeing the question mark as well as by asking WH question, which, where, when, how many, why, where, that is, so the WH question here. So that is interrogative adverb here. So how will you go? That is by seeing the question mark, we can say that it is interrogative adverb. Then the flowers wave gently here. Again we can find here ly. Ly is there, then how the flowers wave here? If we ask the question with how, so our answer is gently. That is adverb of manner here. Adverb of manner. Then the squirrel look up here. The squirrel look up here. So look is a verb. Where the squirrel is looking? that is up here, up, down, inside, outside, that is so the adverb of place here. Again here that is saying the question mark and WH question where we can say that it is interrogative adverb here. Then rewrite the following sentence in changing their gender here. Our 16th question, rewrite the following sentences changing their gender here. So if masculine is there, then we have to change it to feminine gender. Feminine is there, then we have to change it to masculine here. Like the king rode on the horse here. So king is masculine and horse is also masculine gender. We have to change it to feminine. Like the king change into queen, rode on the horse change into mare here. So our answer is the queen rode on the mare here. Then a milkman. A milkman has cow, dog and goat here. So milkman change into milkmaid, has cow change into bull, dog change into beach and goat change into sea goat here. So our answer is a milkmaid has bull, beach and sea goat. Then the hunter killed lion and tiger here. So hunter change into huntress. Then lion change into lioness and tiger change into tigress. So our answer is the huntress killed lioness and tigress here. A dog barked to the cow. So dog change into beach and cow change into bull. The rest thing remain the same here. So our answer is a beach bark to the bull here. Then fifth example given here, a bride was a heroine here. A bride was a heroine here. So bride change into bridegroom and heroine change into hero here. So our answer is a bridegroom was a hero here. Then a widow has two sons here. So our answer is a widow. Widow change into widower, has two sons change into daughter. If the noun is singular, so we have to change in a singular here. And if our noun is, if the gender is in singular, so we have to change in a singular gender. And if the gender is in plural, so we have to change in a plural gender here. So children, please see the video and also by heart this all the exercise. It may be more important for your exam here. Okay, thank you.